Alright, so we're on to our third lesson in our fractions unit. This is recognizing and creating equivalent fractions. And it's based off of Math Focus 5, pages 220 to 223. Now the textbook asks us, some sandwiches and juice were left over after a day's party. What fraction of the sandwiches and juice are left over? Let's first look at the sandwiches. So it says here that Renee left 1/2, or half, of a sandwich, right here. It also says that his granddad left 2/4, or 2/4 of a sandwich, right here. Now one thing you'll notice is that these sandwiches are the same size. The only difference is Renee has cut his in half, or into 2 pieces, and his granddad has cut it into 4ths, or 4 pieces. If you look closely at the shading, these are the same size. This means that half and 2/4 represent the same amount of sandwich. This also means that 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. Now, equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same part of a whole or the same part of a group or set. So for example, down here, these two rectangles. This rectangle is cut into 6 pieces, and 3 of which are shaded, so it's 3/6. A rectangular that is the exact same size is only cut into 2 pieces, and the same portion is shaded, making 1/2. Conversely, with these counters, I've got 6 counters here, 3 of which are shaded, so 3 out of 6 are shaded. But then if I group these counters into groups of 3, I've got one group that's shaded, and one group that's not shaded, so 1/2. Now let's move on to the juice. According to the information in the book, there were 12 glasses of juice, and the people at the party drank 8 glasses, so only 4 glasses remain. That tells me that 4/12 are left over. Now, here are my 12 counters, 4 of which are shaded. This can also be 1/3 if I group them into equal groups of 4. I have 3 groups, one group which is full or shaded, so that represents 1/3. This means that 1/3 and 4/12 are equivalent fractions. Okay, so for number 1 checking, it asks us to write 2 equivalent fractions for each picture to describe the amount that is left in each container. So for question 1A, what we have here is a pizza pan, which is half full of pizza. So this shows 1/2. However, if you notice, the pizza has been cut into 6 pieces. So there are 1, 2, 3 pieces remaining out of 6. So this tells us that this can be seen as 3/6 or 1/2. For part B, it shows a jug that is half full, or a pitcher that's half full. The other half has been poured into 6 glasses. This shows that half of the jug is full. This shows that 6 out of 12 glasses have been filled. So 1/2 is equivalent to 6/12. And if you think about it, 6 is half of 12. 3 is half of 6. For number 2, it asks you to fold a square or rectangular piece of paper to show that 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Sketch your work. Now you don't have to actually fold a piece of paper here. What you can do is draw a rectangle first, like so, and cut it into 3 pieces. Shade 1 piece. That shows 1/3. Now, take a line and run it through horizontally right through the middle of the rectangle. This now shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, 2 of which are shaded, 2/6. In this sense, 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent fractions. I hope this is clear, and if you have any questions, you can always contact me on Microsoft Teams or email me. Thank you.